Okay, good afternoon from me and my friend 16 Silverado. We have a tail light blown out here in the bottom. If he would be so kind as to show me. There we go. So this side's lit up. Okay. Start by putting the tailgate down. I've done that already. This is a T15 Torx bit. There's a couple different ways you can get on this. These are 1/4-inch drive. So you can do this with a ratchet if you would like. Or if you have a set like this, you can do screwdriver set like that. Fortunately, my 1/4-inch drive like this is missing, but the screwdriver just so happens to be 1/4-inch drive. So with your 2 screws removed, gently pop this out. And sometimes these clips like this can stick in here really hard. You gotta pull gently, but without shattering the plastic. So 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Oh my. And then as you can see, have a 7443 dual filament snap-in bulb. There's 2 different versions of this. There's a similar version as a plastic base. That's not what you want for this. The 7440 is a single filament bulb, and the 7443 is a 2 filament bulb. Alright, so we'll snap in our new bulb. Now we'll have the owner here verify that works. Okay, taillight works. Go ahead and hit the brake. Okay, so we have both filaments. Put back in. Clockwise 1/4 turn. Really tight in this one. There you go. Line up these pegs with these holes here on the side. And then thread it back into place. And then we'll reinstall our 2 screws and that's it. If you liked this video or it helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for me. It'll help a lot. Thanks. I don't have any blooper reels for this video. What was that?
It's the alarm.
Really?
Yeah, unless I like it.
What are you doing? From you opening the door?
Yeah.
That is so stupid.
Yeah, you like lock it and you open the door. It just goes off.
Well, we just found our blooper reel, thanks. That's really stupid.
It does the same thing with the hood, you know, watch it.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny. So you snap the hood, you close the door, and you lock it. And you pop the hood open. That's the good one. That's the good one. Like it uses a different horn for the hood than it does the door. It's like, what the heck?
It's really.
Ask me how I know that.
How do you know that?
Because I did that on accident the first time.
It's extremely stupid. This bulb is dead to me now.